Welcome back, guys. So today we are going to learn how to create what we call a bar chart using JavaScript and HTML. So we can create a bar chart like this just using HTML, CSS, JavaScript. It is easy. Even you can also use AI like ChatGPT, Deepseek to help you. For example, I want to create this as it is. Now let me open my Sublime Text. When I open my Sublime Text, I'm going to write HTML like this. Then I click enter to bring this. What I need now, I need to put here what we call a script here. I'm going to use, let me go to my Deepseek. I want this. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to write a script source like as it is done by Deepseek. Let me go here. The reason why I'm using this, there is a library called Chart.js. It is a small piece of code. Let me show you. This code, it is there in JavaScript. Let me show you why. So, such that I don't want to waste time. I don't want to waste time. So, Deepseek helped me, but I know this code, it is there. When I paste this, you're going to see certain types of codes. It is a library, you see. So we have codes, you see the entire codes. So there is a code called Chart.js. So this is also used by professional developers to call things like this. So I don't have time to write this code like this. It is there. That is why they use library. So now it has called it, so I put E2 script source like this. Now I have called that. So what is the next? The next is I need to create what we call create a canvas like this. Canvas ID equals, so I'm going to call it my chart. For instance, my chart style equals so the width that I'm going to put here, width like this. Then the width I'm going to put 100%. I like to be 100%. So I put a comma like this. Now I'm going to put what we call a max width. A max width of 600 pixel. A max width of 600 pixel. So I need also to put this one into quotes like this, and 600 pixel, then into quotes like this. So what I need to do now is to close the canvas like this. Canvas, of course, I need to close. Now I have also to close this one like this. Of course, there is a certain error that I get, but let me first fix this one like this. I put it here like max width 600 pixel. So after doing that, let me go here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to write a script like this. Now I'm going to start to call constant. Let me close the script down here like this. Now I'm going to start to say constant x values equals, so the x values that we are going to put, Italy, France, Spain. So that is why I called this that constant x values, because they are on the x axis. So I'm going to put it here like this, Italy, like this, then a comma, then I go on and I put France like this, then I go on and then I put Spain like this, Spain, then I put what is the rest? It is Spain, US and Argentina, of course. Spain, USA, then Argentina. Now what I'm going to do is let me see. Now I'm going to call what we call a constant y value. So guys, follow up until we finish. Y value equals, then I put 55 like that. So I don't have time, because if I don't have time, what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy the entire like this, Ctrl C, then I go here because I don't have time. I go to Deepseek, then I just paste this like this, then I tell it complete the entire code. So this is the power of AI, because now I have given it a small hit. So it's going to complete, it's going to generate, it's going to generate the entire code for us. You have seen, this is how AI faster. So after generating the entire code, I'm going back here, I click this, then I paste this. You see, it has generated the entire code, for us. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to save, then I'm going to run here, open file like this. So it is here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to click here, open with. So you see, the graph is here. So you go on. So what I'm trying